today's video, I will explain shortly why I think that the Amethyst Antlers will be going limited. Now, this is just my prediction. This isn't guaranteed, so if it doesn't go limited, don't hate me, but I have strong evidence that gravitates towards why I think that it will go limited. The Amethyst Antlers came out for 2,500, just like the pinstripe fedora, which is now limited. It is part of the Antler series, and I think almost every Antlers on Roblox is limited, but there's probably a few that's off sale. For example, we have the Black Iron Antlers, which was actually on the sale before, and now it's limited at 11,000. And that's the same case for the Silverthorn Antlers. It was on sale for a special sale like the Black Friday 2010 sale. It was brought back on sale in 2019 and only went limited around 3 years ago. These were on sale for 800 and now it is around, I think, 6,000, probably even higher now. So I want you to take a look at this, all right? This is going to be the 2026 spring sale. Some items are going to be cheaper than others, but some items are I just have a really good feeling it's going to be limited. First things first, the Amethyst Antlers. Now I want you to look at this. I want you to guess how many items out of this set went limited. That's right, 2 so far. The pinstripe fedora and the lampshade. The lampshade was originally 350, now it's like, I don't know how much it is now. And the pinstripe fedora was originally 2,500 and now it's about 8,000. It's probably going to be lower by the time you're watching this video, but these 2 Black Friday items went limited and no one told us about it. Now the chances that 2 items from this are going to go limited, I think is very high, because Roblox, what they like to do is whenever they have a sale, probably like 3 months later, they'd like to make 2 of the items limited. It could be the head stack because it's cheap, it could be the frenemy, it could be any of these. But my bet is on the Amethyst Antlers because we already have the Black Iron Antlers and the Silverthorn Antlers, and there's no reason why they wouldn't make these limited. Come on. And they look great in my opinion. Wild7, I'm not sure what his responsibility with Roblox trading is, but I'm gonna guess at the very least is that he's helping Roblox really just tell them what the traders really want. And if Wild7 can convince them to make Amethyst Antlers limited, then that would be great help. He's very notable in rolling mons. We shouldn't really use him. He's very useful, and really I'm just appreciative of how much he's actually helped us, because we can't really talk to Roblox one-on-one, so his help is really useful. But that's my prediction for the Amethyst Antlers. They look sick. I would definitely buy them, but this is not a concrete answer, so don't go off what I say. Go off your own prediction.